Hi, boys and girls. This is math lesson 229, and we're going to sequence numbers. We're going to put them in order, smallest to biggest. So let's start up at the top. And when I say sequence numbers, you need to think about the order of our numbers 0 to 10. And we are going to find numbers that come before and after a number in the middle. So if I'm looking at the number 3, the number before 3 is 2. The number after 3 is 4. So one more before it, or one before it, one more after a number. Then we're also going to put numbers, find the smallest number in a sequence of numbers, and put them in order, smallest to biggest. So if you have a number line at home, or you just want to practice writing your numbers to 10, if you make a number line like this, 0 to 10, just like we have on our desk at school, then you will have your numbers right in order. But I bet you can just count on, and since you're so great at writing numbers, you can just put the numbers in order as you write them. Say them as you write them. So up at the top, we're going to do the top part of this paper. Some of this paper you're going to do by yourself, and then again, the last two we're going to do together. But let me get you a little bit closer to the paper. Go ahead and trace. So they start with the number 1. The number before 1 is 0. The number after 1 is 2. So go ahead and trace those. And then they give you the number in the middle, but they also give you a die to count how many. So you're going to count how many and write the number. It's the number that comes before 6 and the number that comes after 6. If you know what comes before 6 and after 6, you can just write the number and you don't even have to count the dots. Or you can count the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you're going to write 5 comes before 6, 6, and then the number after 6 is 7. So count the dots, write the number. It's going to be the number before 5, the number after 5. On number 3 and number 4, you're going to put the numbers in order from smallest to biggest. Okay, so you're going to rewrite these numbers, but you have to find the smallest number first. So I'm going to look at number 3, and I see 10, 8, 7, and 9. Which one of those numbers is the smallest number? The smallest number out of all of those numbers is 7. So I'm going to write the number 7 first, and I'm going to cross it out because I've used it. What comes after 7? What comes after that number? What comes after that number? Let's go ahead and write them in. And then you do number 4 by yourself. So 7 is my smallest. Then I have 8, 9, and 10 is the biggest, so it goes at the end. Putting numbers in order from smallest to biggest with the numbers they gave you. So on number 4, you have the numbers 3, 2, 1, and 0. Which number is the smallest? I hope you said 0. So you're going to write 0 first, and then you're going to write the 3 numbers that come after 0 in order. 0, 1, 2, 3. So go ahead and finish that by yourself. You can hit pause and finish this side before you go to the back, or you can go to the back with me and go back and do it. Okay, number 5 and number 6 are just like number 1. You're going to count how many die, write the number, how many dots on the die, write the number, or you can choose the number that comes before 4, after 4, the number that comes before 8, or after 8. Now, I know you can do those two by yourself. Number 7, they're missing a number. They gave you 3 numbers, but they have 4 blanks for you to write the numbers smallest to biggest. You have to figure out what number is missing. So first thing we're going to do is look at 6, 3, and 5. What is the smallest number? 6, 3, and 5. The smallest number is 3. So you're going to write the number 3 first. And then you're going to put 3. And you're going to put the rest of the numbers in order, but they might be missing a number because you need 3 more numbers. We already wrote 3, and we only have 2 left. What number comes after 3? You got it. The number 4. That's the number that's missing in our sequence. And then you're going to do the next number, 5, and the last one is 6. I hope you curled in on the dotted line. Best number writing. If one of your numbers goes backwards, erase it all the way and rewrite it. Okay, the directions for number 8, they would like for you to put numbers in order starting with number 5. Write your numbers 5 through 10 on the lines. So we're going to start with 5. And you're going to write all the rest of the numbers to 10. I want you to go ahead and finish that all by yourself. Now, check your numbers when you're done. Finish this whole page. I will check this page when you turn it in to me in January. So take your time. Best number writing. I don't want to see any numbers that are falling off the lines like this. No big giant 3s. They need to sit on the red line. Nice, neat numbers. If you go too fast, you might need to erase. Take your time. Bye.